Hello children, I am Ilakkiya Priya. I am working as a science teacher from Akshaya Public School. So come on, let's move on to the session. Can you observe this picture? Yes, so colorful, right? So what you are observing from this picture? So you can see fruits, vegetables, fish, meat, egg and some products which are made from cereals. Yes? Okay. So today we are going to deal about food and where does it comes from and how that food gets prepared. Okay? The food that we eat we receive from different sources. Mainly we obtain the food sources from plants as well as animals. Okay, so what are the plant sources? So it includes all kinds of fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses. Next, if you take about animal sources, it includes fish, meat, egg, all dairy products, prawn, etc. So have you wondered where will we receive these food items? Yes, so we prepare the food at kitchen. The same way, plants also prepare their own food by using the specialized part. Yes, so there are different parts in the plant, but the specialized part is leaf. The leaf only prepares the food for the whole plant. So the leaf is the part which prepares the food for the whole plant. So why we call the leaf as kitchen of the plant or food factory of the plant. Now, let us learn how these plants are making their own food and what is that process called? Yes, the process is called as photosynthesis. So, what is photosynthesis? The plants make their own food by using several factors. So, that is called photosynthesis. Now, let us learn about photosynthesis in detail. Photosynthesis. Okay, it is a Greek word. What is the meaning for photosynthesis? Photo means light. Photo means light. What is meant by synthesis? Synthesis is nothing but putting together. So, photosynthesis is a Greek word where photo means light and synthesis means putting together. Now, before going to learn about the photosynthesis process, we must be familiar about the essential factors for preparing the food. So, how we all need certain factors for cooking, the same way the plants also need certain factors to make their own food. Let us see now. Process of photosynthesis. So, to perform photosynthesis, the plants need certain factors. Now, let us see one by one. The first very essential factor. Can you guess what is this? Yes, this is water. So, the first factor which plants require is water. So, we all know that all the living organisms in their entire world, they need water. It's a very essential factor for their survival. So, the first common factor that the plants need is water. The next factor, very important factor is sunlight. The second factor is sunlight. So, it is the natural source of light. How we use heat for cooking at the kitchen, the same way the plants also need some heat, that is heat energy. So, they obtain this heat energy from the sunlight. Next, the third factor is I think you could have guessed by seeing this image. Yes, air is very much essential. So it is needed by all the living organisms for breathing. Air. Can you see this colorful leaf? Yes. Have you wondered why the leaf is green in color? The leaves are green in color because due to the presence of a green colored pigment called chlorophyll. So due to the presence of the green colored pigment chlorophyll, the leaves appear green in color. Okay, what is the role of chlorophyll? This chlorophyll is also a very important factor for the process of photosynthesis. Why? Because this chlorophyll combines carbon dioxide and water and perform the photosynthesis process. So this chlorophyll helps to combine carbon dioxide plus water. So carbon dioxide and water, they combine together with the help of the natural sunlight source. It performs photosynthesis. Can you see this leaf? So here we are able to observe carbon dioxide gas entering into the leaf. See, in this world, all the living organisms, they breathe, they respire. So, with the help of the specialized organs, for example, human beings, we breathe with the help of lungs. Fish, it breathes with the help of gills. So, same way, the plants, they breathe through a specialized organ called stomata. What is the role of stomata? The stomata helps in the exchange of gases. So through this stomata only, the carbon dioxide gas enters into it. So by this only, the leaves are taking in carbon dioxide. So the main function of stomata is to allow the exchange of gases. So what is meant by stomata? Stomata is nothing but they are the tiny holes present on the surface of the leaves. Now on the whole, what is the term photosynthesis? Yes, the process by which the plants, they make their own food by using several factors such as sunlight, carbon dioxide, water and minerals which is taken from the soil. So this water and minerals, they enter through the root system and finally it reaches to all parts of the plants. Let us learn the chemical equation for photosynthesis. Okay, so first of all, the essential factor, that is carbon dioxide. So in air, the carbon dioxide gas is taken by the plants. So carbon dioxide, water in the presence of light energy. So this light energy is obtained from the sunlight and in the presence of chlorophyll, which is a green colored pigment. So finally they all combine together to form carbohydrates and this is the plant food. Along with that, which gases evolved out? So oxygen is evolved out. So oxygen gases evolved out. So it can be expressed in the chemical formula, that is, in short, carbon dioxide is represented as CO2. So that is carbon dioxide, water, H2O. In the presence of light energy and chlorophyll, it produces carbohydrates. The formula is C6H12O6 plus oxygen, that is O2. So always the equation should be balanced on both the sides. So here is the balanced equation, that is 6CO2 plus 6H2O. In the presence of light, energy and chlorophyll, it produces carbohydrate, that is, it's a glucose molecule. So that is C6H12O6 plus 6O2. Do you think the photosynthesis process is essential? Yes, of course. So photosynthesis helps the plants to prepare their own food. Okay, so we animals and plants are interdependent with each other, because as we have learned in the photosynthesis process, which gas is given out? Oxygen gas is given out. That is, plants use carbon dioxide and leave out oxygen. So we animals, we use that fresh oxygen and we leave out carbon dioxide, which is required by the plants for their process. So in this way, we are interdependent with each other. So all plants and trees, they leave out the fresh oxygen into the atmosphere. So why the life is possible in the earth. So we are interdependent with each other. So we must not cut the trees. Please save the trees. Hey guys, I hope you have gained some knowledge about photosynthesis from my session. Okay, thank you so much for watching.